I'm Ben Rimmer, I'm the course leader for game design with animation, and I'm going to talk about the Motion Capture Studio. So the MoCap Studio is one of our great assets. We find that our students have a lot of fun just throwing each other into the crash mat, or getting to collaborate with the drama students, or getting to work across the cinematics modules to bring their creations to life.
So we have 24 Vicon cameras that capture full body tracking all the way down to the fingers. We also have over a dozen props, anywhere from swords to shields to airsoft rifles. We also have Lobo scaffolding that you can climb on, as well as crash mats that you can do light stunt work with, and faceware facial capture. So the Vicon cameras work by firing infrared light onto these reflective little balls on the motion capture suits, and then it bounces back at the cameras and it can triangulate your position in 3D space, building up a 3D skeleton that we can use to put onto game characters and have them run animations. So we have a dedicated motion capture technician who is here throughout the week looking after the studio, and you can be on any course whatsoever and book out the Motion Capture Studio for any project that you want. All you need to do is book out a training session with the motion capture technician, and then they will take you through how it all works, how to set it up, and how to do a shoot.
The Motion Capture Studio is a £500,000 investment. We have faceware motion capture tracking software. We have up to 24 cameras for the studio, looking to get more potentially in the future. And we have more props and equipment which we grow each year. So allow students to unleash their creativity in the studio. We have students who have gone to work at a range of studios, including Rockstar and Cloud Imperium Games, and we have very similar, not the exact same setups to what those studios have pending their release of their software. Motion Capture Studio is available to use all the way from our first year point of entry to our final year, even into our postgraduate. There's no entry requirements for using the studio. What we find is that when students use it, more students will talk about wanting to use it, and then the use case for it gets wider and wider each year. And as such, we make sure that the Motion Capture Studio is continually updated and is continually provisioned along with our motion capture specialists and our team that are dedicated to running it.